Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Video Kit and show the integration steps. Huawei Video Kit SDK provides wide range of video playback control features. It will also support video editing and hosting in upcoming versions. It can play the videos posted in third-party cloud platform by specifying its URL. However, local storage videos are not supported. The supported video formats are 3GP, MP4 or TS, and URL should be compliant with HTTP, HTTPS, HLS or Dash. By using this SDK, we can play any promotional video within another app. The supported playback functionalities includes start, stop, pause, resume, playback mode, speed adjustment, etc. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect, open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select manually, enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build script and all projects section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of Video Kit libraries under the dependency section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Create a layout XML file for the playlist screen. Create a layout to show the play view. Create other layouts for playback options. Open the application level class. Get the device ID. Create voice player factory option X instance by passing the device ID and country code. Call the init factory method. In init factory callback, get the voice player factory object. Create home page view class to inflate the home screen layout. Create play view class to inflate the play screen layout. Open the home page activity. Request for permissions. On activity starts, update the playlist view. On clicking on a particular item, get the play entity. Start to play the activity. Initialize the Video Kit voice player. Set the listeners. Set the playlist. Set the attributes on voice player. Call the method ready. On ready of the voice player, start it. Update the play view. Now the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, enter a URL and tap on play button. It will play the video of that URL. You can also click a previously listed item. In the playback screen, we can play pause, resume, drag, make full screen, adjust playback speed, and many more. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.